You began to allude to some of the areas that are strategic priorities for you and your team, and I'd love to go into some more depth into some of those as well. Talk a bit about some of the topics that you and the team are focused on that are particularly exciting from your perspective as you look to the months ahead.
Yeah, it's extremely important the way Antonio has envisioned where do we need to go. I think when he joined as the CEO a few years back,
Antonio
uh,
Neri.
Antonio Neri, our CEO, he had the realization coming in that we are a 85-year-old company with 30-year-old processes and technology. So digital transformation was a must for us. And I can tell you it's nothing but a CIO's dream to have any digital transformation priority as the company priority, which Antonio Neri has. We have been on the digital transformation journey for almost 3 years. Um, on, First, from the approach of our core processes and transformation. So we are on this NGIT program, which is consolidating 29 ERPs and 11 SAPs into one S4 HANA implementation globally. The program had a bumpy start, but because of Antonio and the executive committees and the board's sponsorship, we have come a long way. Our technology build is almost complete. 30 to 40% of companies' revenue run on it, and by June we will have 70%. And hopefully by February of 22, we'll be done with transforming and retiring almost 500 applications to come on this new ecosystem, which is extremely critical. And it is not only a cost play, it is a cybersecurity play, it is simplification play, it is our ability to digitally transform better, rethink customer experience, right? We see this more than ever that how customers now want to engage any service, it is consumer facing or business to business. You cannot provide that digital experience to a customer unless you have the backbone inside the company. I call it digitalization of the core and not just the experience. The second piece is in 2019, Antonio got up on the stage during Discover and announced that by 2022, we will offer every product also as a service. That means we'll bring the cloud to you. Antonio and the team realized early on that more and more computation will go to the edge, and then connectivity between edge and cloud will become very important. If you look across the industry, connected car, retail going to e-commerce, warehouses become edge. If you look at healthcare and hospital is now an edge computing place. So we needed the cloud that could come to these edge locations to run computation efficiently and connect with cloud to provide what public cloud provides. And this bet has proven very, very valuable. But as I said, this is a digital transformation in true sense, where we still being a technology company, we are thinking differently around how do we convert from a physical product, which we once sold and came back 3 years later to refresh, versus continuous engagement with our customer and really understanding how they're interacting with our products and using it. It also meant huge transformation in the way we did quote to cash and customer engagement or partner engagement. So he challenged us, and I'm glad to report that we have delivered. We launched some of the as a service products last Discover. We are in the process of delivering a few again this Discover. So if you look at our Aruba ESP product, which is now as a service bandwidth availability or storage and compute, AI, ML ops, we are building superior technologies in that space, which now our customers can use as consumption basis versus buy capital and depreciate it over years.